Hello and welcome to the Toyota HILUX walk around video. It's an electric blue, this colour. It's 2000 or late 2017. Just gonna walk around the exterior. Nice chrome accents on the back here. Go through all, the features, etc. What you can do with the rear, the interior features as well. We'll just walk around the exterior for now. Let's take a look inside. So, security button here on the door. Just push that in, pull it out. Let's just turn the lights off. Okay. So this is a key to push to start, the keyless ignition. Just simply push it there. Start with the functions down here. So we've got this button here, as you can hear, increases. If I turn it off again, you can see the revs. It actually increases the revs and prioritizes the heating of the car over anything else. So it will use more fuel and it will use more power from the engine, but what it will do, it will heighten the quality and the speed of your air, as well as anything else you've got on heated seats, for example, the back heating, window heating as well. All those things are extremely heightened. If you're in a very, in a freezing location, those things will happen quicker. Here, as well as turning on your parking sensors, crash avoidance, and lane swerve. You also have your fuel and your boot lid controls. Standard aircon features here, aircon and auto. They're two separate systems. A useful tool with this heads-up display, you can actually link up a AV product, iPad or something that will stream a video, and you can actually replicate that onto the screen. So this can now be a 7-inch display of a film. This will only work if you're stationary, you can't watch it whilst you're driving, but it is an added extra that you can use for extra comfort, I suppose. So changing the modes here now. That was your AV mode. Now I have Bluetooth, obviously not connected. AM radio, FM radio, DAB, digital audio, auxiliary, so for iPods, etc., and then AV once again. So you can hook those up very easily through the menus. You've also got all of your media controls throughout the steering stems as well here. Here, you've got your cruise control on the side by the steering wheel. That's kind of it. You've got a little clock and heating control up the top there with your hazards. But that is almost it for the driver's side. The glove box, standard size with the logbook inside. Nice storage for keys, for example. You can put the keys in there. Gear sticks nice and high. Lots of control. Lots of you get a lot of confidence when you're putting it into gear. Eco mode and power mode. Basically a sport mode, but it's just more tolling on the engine. And eco mode, obviously less tolling on the engine. Storage, you've got a power outlet there, if you can see. Charges things like shavers, charges things like toothbrushes. Handbrakes, very nice and tight. You've actually got a zip here on the handbrake that you can undo, and obviously get into the handbrake. If you need to do any maintenance on it, if you want to clean it, you can do. Leather interior on the seats, obviously with the heightened heat system that we're on at the moment. These seats are very warm and it's very cold outside. We'll turn that off. This is obviously the same throughout the back seats as well. Back seats are all leathered up. In terms of seat controls, it's all electric. There's no pulleys or anything, and it's all just works in a tilt system. Pull forward, pull backwards, come backwards, come forwards, up and down on the seat angle as well. Unlock there. There we are. Into the back, we've got weather protected mats on the back there. Leathered, not knitted, which is quite nice. Back compartments there for storage. There is more hooks here to hook on bags, hook on boots, whatever you need to do to stop them hitting the floor. Armrest in the side with 2 cup holders. standard stuff. Self-explanatory. Obviously, automated windows on back on either side. That goes for every single door in the car. Now on the back, nice and easy, very simple to use, accessible. Lashing points for two on the back, two on the front. All weatherproofed and easy to, you know, if you've got water in the back, easy to get it all out. It drains very well. Just to put it back up requires strength on one arm. You've got obviously jump up points here as well. You've got jump up points just there, and towing at the back there. Parking sensors, as you can see. The alloys are in fantastic condition, considering it's a 4x4. Parking sensors all around the car. And step up points again for the passengers and drivers. So, the HILUX Invincible X. If you're interested, give us a call. That was the walk around video. Thank you.